must address fear proactively, and this will absolutely slow the fear response down. It helps you to assess in that moment if it's real or not. Ask yourself these questions if you're in this fear state. Number 1, what are you afraid might happen? Number 2, what is more probable? Number 3, what other possibilities can you think of? And then the last question, what do you hope will happen?